Yep, I'm Daniel, and so until very recently, I was at Anki, which is a home robotics company doing consumer robots using AI and emotional intelligence. So these are, the first products were toys, and then we tried to move into the home robotics space, but it turns out that the home robotics space is actually really difficult, and the punchline is that we are no longer in business. That happened between when I was invited to give this talk and today. You can derive what lessons you want from our failure at business, but I still stand by the hardware that we built, and I think that we did a really good job of putting a lot of functionality into a very low-cost product. And those techniques and lessons are generally applicable to other products besides home robots. So I think that there'll be some interest here.